We are here at the Beretta Defense Technologies booth, welcoming people, partners, visitors and guns enthusiasts to display and to showcase our full portfolio of solutions for the dismounted soldier, starting from firearms, ammunition components, clothing, accessories, optics and the optics. And this year at Eurosatory we are also proud to display many new products and new products categories, starting from the ammunition from Swiss P, the Shatter 4K ammunition, which is the latest product developed in Switzerland for counter-drones application. Here plenty of different solutions and firearms in different calibers from our sister company Benelli, Beretta, Stoeger and of course Sako as well. Something very important that has been presented here at Eurosatory, next to the counter-UAS application, where we have plenty of solutions, we are also offering the drones capability. So we are adding an additional product portfolio to our offering. As you can see, we have here different drones depending on the use and the requirements. Then already presented at M4Stack, we are also enhancing our offering for counter-UAS and for different applications for counter-UAS, with, depending on the range, starting from 100 meters up to 100 meters till up to 300 meters. And something extremely innovative and very interesting is the lever turret developed in synergy between Benelli shotguns, part of our group of companies, and Dual-E company as well. This is in addition to our product portfolio of solution. Again, you are more than welcome to visit us here at our booth at Beretta Defense Technologies. Thank you for watching.